Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths and Numeracy S3 to S4 Careers video. My name is Mr. Cooke and I am the Principal Teacher of Numeracy, and I'm going to be talking you through this very short presentation. What we're going to be covering then is why Maths and how is it beneficial, course details for national qualifications, talking about Maths and helping with homework, careers in Maths, and then support available from our end. So why Maths? Well, let's start with a definition then. Maths is the abstract science and study of number, quantity and space. We know it can be challenging, but it can also be very rewarding and fun. It is both logical and creative, and students who study and succeed in maths are able to pursue jobs from a variety of different backgrounds. There are also plenty of skills that studying mathematics can develop, such as critical and analytical thinking, problem solving, quantitative reasoning, communication and time management, teamwork, and also independence. So we're now going to talk about the course details for national qualifications, starting with National 4. And National 4 is pretty straightforward. It comes in 3 mandatory units, and they are expressions and formulae, relationships, and numeracy. At the end of each of these units, there is a summative test, which pupils must pass. And at the end of the 3 units, there is what is known as an end of year test called the added value unit. And again, pupils must pass this. All these units are done in school, and it is strictly pass or fail. But we are also looking to see that there is a sound understanding of the maths concepts studied, so that there is a smooth transition into National 5. National 5, sorry. So pupils coming from 4th level and also National 4 will have studied a lot of National 5 content, and they should be able to see the difference between National 5 and 4th level in that it requires a lot more understanding. The assessment is a little bit more rigorous and robust, and the questions tend to be a lot harder. Now let's hope that the tests go ahead next year, and if that were the case, paper 1 will be non-calculator, worth 50 marks and will last an hour and 15 minutes. Paper 2 will then be a calculator paper, and that is 60 marks and it will last an hour and 50 minutes. So 2 very lengthy exam papers. If you would like to know more details about the course coverage and the course spec, then please click the link from the SQA. So that's the National 4 and National 5 summary. I would just like to re-emphasise how we want our pupils to do the best that they can, no matter what qualification they're studying. We want both courses to motivate and challenge learners, and also to develop confidence in the subject and a positive attitude towards further study in maths. And just a reminder, those coming from National 4 can then move on to National 5 Numeracy, National 5 Life Skills, and then National 5 Maths. And those coming from National 5 can move on to Higher, Advanced Higher, and then also have the option of National Progression Awards, Certificate Group Awards, Further Study, Employment, or Training. So we're now going to spend some time talking about maths and how to help with homework at home. As a parent or carer, you give your child their first experiences with maths, whether that be positive or negative. And even if you don't feel confident with maths, you can still make a huge difference to how your child's numeracy confidence and ability develops. So here are some top tips. Number 1, be positive about maths. And that means not saying things like, I can't do maths or I hated maths at school. Because what might happen is your child might start to think like that themselves and grow to resent the subject. Number 2, set aside some homework time. And that means start a homework routine, find a quiet place for your child to work, and take away any distractions if possible. Number 3, very important one, but try and point out the maths in everyday life. So include your child in activities that involve maths, such as money, cooking, and travelling. Number 4, praise your son or daughter for effort rather than talent. This shows them that by working hard that they can always improve. 5, when they get stuck, try to remain calm. Ask them to explain what they've done so far and what they're finding hard. Then try to work together and help them work out where they've went wrong. We do think that numeracy and maths are very important, and the skills developed are vital throughout life. So children who have developed these skills and are confident with maths are more likely to 1, stay in education longer, 2, be in work as adults, and 3, earn more throughout their lives. If you would like more information on how to support your son or daughter at home, then there are plenty of articles on the familymathstoolkit.org.uk website. The one that I think is most beneficial is the one headed, I can't do maths. If you're saying it, your kids probably are too. So we're now going to finish on careers within maths, and we may be biased, but we feel that maths is best. And why is maths best? It's best because it opens up a world of opportunity in business, engineering, science, and technology. And it all starts in fourth year studying National 4 or National 5 maths. Getting that and moving on to higher opens up even more possibilities, and you never know, in a few years' time you could find yourself becoming an accountant, an actuarist, computer programmer, or even a space aircraft engineer. I'd just like to say thank you very much for joining in, and if you have any questions then please don't hesitate to email me.